do not confuse your Google search with my, put it up, medical degree.
So, in conclusion, for anyone watching this video, this right here is the point. Hi, I'm Dr. Ciri.
And I'm Dr. Ava, and we are Sisters in Medicine.
Today we wanted to do a video in response to this particular comment. What? Your face. That must be the one.
Anyone with common sense would pass on getting vaccinated. Did you know that most of these medicines they are giving us have never been approved by the USDA? I need to stop laughing. Okay.
Deal.
So that should tell you something. If the medicine was truly a healing method, why do we need refills? Because it does not work.
Okay. Dr. Ava, what are your thoughts about that comment?
I just think she's confused. I think she's confused. There's a difference between there's a difference between having a medical condition that requires a medication to take it away completely, hence cure it, versus having a medical condition that requires a medication to help that medical condition not progress further. I'm gonna give you examples. If you have, I don't know, an STD, you have gonorrhea, we can cure that. We'll give you a medication. It'll be one time. You take it, and your gonorrhea is cured. Unless you go back and have sex and reinfect yourself. But that one infection that you come with, we can treat it, take it away completely, and you're cured. However, if you have high blood pressure, for example, high blood pressure could be caused by many different issues. It could be genetics, it could be obesity, it could be your diet and your lifestyle. Whatever the issue is that causes you to have high blood pressure, we're not going to be able to cure the high blood pressure with medication. The medications are there to help control your blood pressure, to help maintain your blood pressure to a certain level that it doesn't rise too high in order for it to cause you complications like strokes, kidney failure, things like that. What's going to cure your blood pressure could be diet change, weight loss, based on what condition you have that's causing the blood pressure. So there's a difference between the two. I think that one person was definitely confused. Do you want to add anything else?
Yes. So one of the other things she said was that the medicines that we prescribe are not approved by the USDA or the FDA. And that is 1,000,000% false. The drugs that we prescribe have on-label use, meaning they are approved by the FDA, they are regulated by the FDA. We are trained to prescribe them in certain doses to treat certain conditions, and the FDA backs us from that standpoint. There are medicines that we use that have what we call off-label uses, meaning they're intended for one thing and a group of doctors may use them for something else because they know that it works or in their experience it works. So there are off-label uses of medications, but the medications that are prescribed by a doctor that you cannot get over the counter, those are backed by the FDA. So I think that person that left the comment, like you said, she was confused, she was very misinformed, and I think that she or he, I don't know, may need to go see and talk to a doctor.
There's a lot of misconception out there. People are doing their own research on the internet. They're Googling things. They're reading off of sites that don't have any substance. And what'd you say?
Credibility.
Yeah, credibility. That's the word I was looking for. Thank you. And so you have to do your research the right way. You have to make sure that if you're going to read something, it needs to be from a credible source. When it comes to medical issues, the best source is your doctor. Go to your doctor. Don't go on the internet and read what people are saying, what other people's experiences have been, what sites are telling you about things. it's going to confuse you and you're going to make your own conclusions. And half the time, those conclusions are false. So go straight to the source. If you needed advice on a law issue, you will go see a lawyer as opposed to reading things on the internet. If you needed advice on, I'm not sure even what to say, like anything like taxes, you will go see your tax accountant as opposed to reading things on the internet and doing it yourself. If you need advice on, nutrition, you'll go see a nutritionist. You're not going to read things on the internet and listen to what people are saying. You have to be smart as to what you do and how you get your information, where you get your information from. Don't just believe everything that's being said. Be your own person. That's my advice for people because some of these comments got my eyes rolling
Yeah.
all the way.
Yes, I 100% agree with that. Hold on one second though. So,
Mhm. Please do not confuse your Google search with my, put it up, medical degree.
yeah.
That's it. That's it right here.
So, in conclusion, for anyone watching this video, this right here is the point. Do not confuse your Google searches with our medical degrees. We have gone to school for a very long time, and if you want to know the exact amount of time we have been in school and training, you can check out our other video on our journeys where we talk about the amount of time and energy we put into studying medicine to make us experts in the field so that we can address your concerns, we can answer your questions that you might have about why you need to go get a medication refilled. We can answer those questions for you. I think that's pretty much it.
Okay. Well, ask us questions if you have questions. Make sure to follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.